Unleash your creativity, the Artillery M1 Pro 3D printer. Hey makers, tired of clunky, unreliable 3D printers that steal your time instead of saving it? Meet the Artillery M1 Pro, precision multicolored 3D printing made ridiculously easy. Forget fiddly setups. The M1 Pro boasts automatic bed leveling, a whisper-quiet operation, and intuitive touchscreen control. Print 24/7 without disturbing anyone. Its massive 260 by 260 by 260 millimeter build area lets you create anything from intricate figurines to functional prototypes. This isn't your grandma's 3D printer. We're talking blazing fast 600 millimeters per second print speeds, AI monitoring for flawless prints, and even a built-in spaghetti detector. Plus, it handles demanding materials like ABS and PC with ease, thanks to its advanced temperature control. And get this, multicolor printing is coming soon. Imagine the possibilities. Bring your wildest designs to life with vibrant, stunning results. This feature launches late July, early August. Whether you're an educator inspiring the next generation, a designer prototyping your masterpiece, or a hobbyist exploring new horizons, the M1 Pro empowers you. Spend less time troubleshooting and more time creating. Don't miss out. This level of precision, speed, and ease of use is game-changing. Multicolor support is just around the corner, and early adopters get a head start on the future of 3D printing. Click the link below to order your Artillery M1 Pro today. Limited stock available, so grab yours before they're gone. Let's make something amazing. Links to product page. #3D printing, #Artillery M1 Pro, #MakerLife.